Morning, guys. Oops. When you guys hop on, just say hi. Got a few announcements I want to go over. Got the new customer Kudos in this month. Started on June 1st. So I'll go over all of that. So when you guys just hop on, say hi. Alright, I'm going ahead and starting with my concealer. So when you guys hop on, just say hi. And I'll go over all those announcements with you and it'll all make sense. But this month, every month with Unique, we have a new bundle of products that go on discount. And this month, it's all about summertime. And it's getting you ready to, to prepare the change in your makeup for the change in season. So we've got some products with SPF in them, and we also have a shimmer body oil that is 50% off, and I'll show you guys a picture of everything. Hey Daisy. Also, if you guys can do me a huge favor, because Facebook put me in Facebook prison, if you could just pass me along on your timeline. I have very limited access to my sharing capabilities, thanks to Facebook. So if you guys could do that, I would so appreciate it. Drop a heart when you share so that I can thank you. I'm just gonna stick some concealer on my eyes. This is concealer. Preps my eye for, I'm allergic to primer, so this is the best way I can prep my eyes for eyeshadow. It also gives me a little highlight when I do my, my foundation. Okay, so I'm gonna be going with my browns today. I'm wearing a leopard cardigan. I'm feeling a leopard vibe for some reason today, so I'm going with it. So I'm gonna pull out my Addiction 6 palette. I'm gonna use my the golds and the browns on the side of this palette. So I start with the dark first because I could always tone it down with the lighter colors. So I always go in with what scares me the most, which is the darks. I have learned to conquer my fears with this eyeshadow. And in the dark palettes, they look amazing, but sometimes if you overdo it, it's like a little too much. But I have learned that if you do the dark first, you can always go in and tone it down with the lighter colors. But if you do the light colors first, you kind of like screw yourself a little bit. So I hope everyone's having a beautiful Tuesday. We have not just announcements in Glamming with Liz, we have announcements all across the board. Paragon Pretty Boutique has an amazing clearance sale going on tomorrow. It is an exclusive event, so if that is something that you want to be part of to see what you can snatch up for a deal, get into my page of Paragon Pretty Boutique and or just drop a comment actually, and I can just invite you personally, so then that will just be easier for everybody, because then you don't have to go searching for this event. It'll be tomorrow. It's an on live event, so that means that I will be live on Facebook in the event. So there's gonna be posts that you can respond to claim items. There'll be an actual live video. There'll be anything, messages, comments, posts, anything that you need to grab anything that you want. I have sandals. I've got boutique clothing on sale, dresses and tops. I have jewelry items that are going to be on clearance, and I have sunglasses. So if you have been wanting to get in on that, you got to drop a comment and I will put you into my group, okay? Just put a little shimmer to really lighten up the inner corner of my eye a little bit. Sweep it down underneath here. When you guys hop on, say hi. I know I'm on a little later than usual. I'm usually on earlier, but today is a later day at the salon, so I am going in later. So I decided to kind of take a little bit of a morning to myself and walk the dogs, and which is like 110 degrees outside. That walk did not last very long. Okay, another reason why I don't do my foundation before I do my eyeshadow is because I get eyeshadow underneath here, and then when I have my foundation on, it gets stuck. So that's a trick, by the way. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to my foundation. I grab my foundation stick and I just start applying it. I'm gonna also, before I forget, do underneath my eyes. Where's my concealer brush? I put it away already. So that I can blend the two. I do these right underneath my eyes, and then I just kind of go up with it. My eyes are very dark. I haven't been getting much sleep for some reason. And don't worry, I just blend the foundation into the concealer. This also helps me fix anything that kind of like I blended too much too low. You kind of can fix it. Hey Cindy, how are you, love? Get my concealer all up in there because my eyes are somewhat dark today for some reason, but I haven't been getting much sleep. Waking up a lot. I don't know what's in the atmosphere. So I'm gonna now go ahead and start to blend it all. No, I don't look so crazy. Oh no, how did you do that? Let me zoom in a little bit so you guys can see what I'm doing. There. That's better. I looked up and I just saw how far away I looked, and I figured I would zoom in so you guys can actually see what I'm doing. Okay, I grab a tinier kabuki brush to blend my tiny forehead. And I'm just blending. Hi, babe. And I messed up. Forgot to fix it. My boyfriend just walked through the door. I never see him this early in the morning. What are you doing?
Told you, Damien stopped early today anymore.
Oh, okay. I swiped my eyebrows, so I'm just going to fix it. I think working out one day just killed. We had a lot of wildfire. You were up with the wildfires? Oh no, you poor thing. Working out is good, but sometimes it like backfires and gives you like, I get so sore sometimes. All right, so I fixed my little swipe up on the, I swiped my eyebrow with my blending brush by accident. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish up. I like to put a little bit of blush, setting powder, and loose powder to blend it all. So as I do my blush, I like to kind of like set underneath my eyes with setting powder because it avoids the lines that get created when the makeup gets set inside those lines. So I do that really fast. I put the setting powder on ASAP. Oh my god, the soot, you could taste the soot. Is that what that means? Taste the fire? Where do you live, Cindy? Are you in California? Was it California? I can't remember the area that... Wait, and I mailed stuff to you. I can't remember your address either. Damn it. Okay, so I put the setting powder on and I'm gonna go in with the blush really fast. And just kind of tap my cheeks. Okay. Now just blending it all together with my loose powder. And then I'm gonna put some mascara on, and I think I'm gonna do just a really simple lip gloss today, nothing crazy. I may put on some lipstick at the salon, but brush off some of that setting powder underneath my eye. You should totally do your makeup today. I thought about the same thing when I woke up. I was like, should I even do my makeup today? And then I sat around and I was like, you know what? Let me just do it because it makes me feel better. I look good. Okay. Mascara. Where's my mascara? So I'm just gonna touch my lashes with this brown mascara. You should totally do your makeup. Oh, I have a loose lash. So I'm using brown mascara today. The brown is a little subtle compared to the black, but that's okay. It does its job. I know, so do I. I have to actually like push myself to do my makeup. Some days. Usually every Tuesday I try to do it. Okay, a simple lip gloss and I'm done. All right, I'm gonna use Lippy. It has like no color to it. It's a subtle pink, but when I put it on my lips, it kind of just blends with my lip color. I guess I have dark lip color as a natural lip color. Oh well. But I like it. It just gives me like a little gloss and a tiny little tint of color. My hair and my headband, I don't like it. Okay. All right, so that's it. I am wrapping it up. If you guys have any questions in regards to any of the announcements I posted in the description of this live, please let me know. Please join and be a part of all my pages, Paragon Pretty, all things hair, beauty, nails, makeup, all that kind of things. We have a boutique. Like I said, we have a boutique clearance sale happening tomorrow. It's an exclusive live event on the Facebook page. So if you want to be a part of that, I will get you an exclusive invite to that. I also have access to Scentsy. If you are aware of Scentsy and are ready or have tried it before and love it, I'm your girl. We've got scent of the month going on right now. It's squeeze of the day. It's like a lemonade scent and a scent of and the warmer of a month. So all of that happens in my VIP page for that, the Scentsy Squad with Liz. And then we have the awesome jewelry that I just got in for the boutique. I have an exclusive page for that. It's Plunder Jewels with Liz. I give all the new outfits that get paired with the pieces. I post all kinds of goodies like that. I unveil my live boxes. This piece is one of the new ones I've just gotten in. So if you either want a catalog of this awesome jewelry or want to be a part of that page, please message me or drop a comment below. I'll get you into that page as well. It's Plunder Jewels with Liz. So we've got awesome hostess gifts going on for that this month. And if you want to throw a party for all your friends and earn a bunch of jewelry for free, that is something I can do. So message me. I can do all of that for you. I will be live tomorrow at 2 p.m. 2 p.m. at the Paragon Pretty Boutique page for the clearance sale. So be sure you're in there for that because I will have some jewelry items on sale. All right, so when you watch this on replay, just hashtag replay. I hope everyone has a beautiful Tuesday, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.